In this video, we're going to do a subtraction problem, 70 minus 46. And when you do these problems, it's always important to remember your place values. And we know that the purple numbers are the tens and the blue numbers are the ones. So if you take a look at this problem, 0 minus 6, how are we going to take 6 away from nothing? And if you take a look at my previous video, I review with you how to regroup using a model. So basically using base blocks. So I'm not going to use the base blocks this time, but if you get confused, you should go back and take a look at that video and it'll explain it really in detail, the concept of borrowing or regrouping. So what we have to do here is we're going to borrow from the 7. So if we borrow a 10 from the 70, this becomes a 6 or a 60. So when we borrow, we put that 10 that we borrowed here. So now this number becomes 10 minus 6, which is 4. Now we take a look at our tens column and we do 6 minus 4, which equals 2. So the answer to 70 minus 46 is 24. So don't worry if you didn't get this right away. Just rewind the video and watch it again because practice makes improvement.